Namaste, how are you guys? Well, welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog is gonna be a little different. It's Sunday today, and I'm gonna share my Sunday reset routine with you guys. A Sunday reset routine is all about starting your week with a clean slate. So we'll focus on decluttering, organizing, and cleaning and making the environment in a way productive and also bring a sense of calm. So Sunday is a day I like to take a day off and just prepare myself for the rest of the week. I will just go ahead and clean and organize everything around me, and that just helps my mental peace a lot. If my place is messy, it just feels like I don't have my life together. So we'll just dive in, clean everything, and just prepare ourselves for the rest of the week. So yeah, let's go. So the first thing that we're gonna do is change the bed sheet. It's been here since a while now. Now, since that's done, let's go ahead and actually clean the house. We recently got the Dyson V15 vacuum cleaner, and it has honestly made my life so much simpler. There are three working modes: Eco, Auto, which I normally use, and then we also have the Boost mode, which makes the vacuum even more powerful. This powerful cordless vacuum comes with multiple attachments that can make cleaning a breeze. So first we are going to use the cleaner head. This attachment is specifically designed to deep clean carpets utilizing the Dyson's DLS technology. It automatically adapts the suction power based on the flow type, ensuring a thorough and efficient clean. As you can see, the Dyson V15 effortlessly glides over the carpet. The next attachment I'll use is the fluffy cleaner head. This is perfect for hard floors. It has soft bristles that prevent scratches while effectively capturing both large debris and fine dust. I like to clean my wooden floor with this. With the Dyson V15, I can easily maneuver around furniture, reach under the sofa, clean those hard to reach corners. Its powerful suction and advanced filtration system ensure that we capture even the tiniest particle, leaving our floors, carpets spotless and fresh. Another standout feature of Dyson V15 is its advanced filtration system. The V15 captures 99.9% of particles, including allergens and microscopic dust. Thanks to this, my allergies have significantly reduced. Let me show you how the laser technology works. I'll start by turning on the laser feature. As I move the Dyson V15 across the floor, you can see how the laser reveals dust and debris that would otherwise go unnoticed. This ensures a more thorough clean, leaving your floors spotless and fresh. Additionally, the Dyson V15 is cordless. It gives me the freedom to move around without limitation. Now let's move to the mini motorized tool. This attachment is a game changer for upholstery, mattresses and other fabric surfaces. It's equipped with rotating brush that agitates and lifts embedded dirt and pet hair. I use this to clean my sofa and curtains. Another useful attachment is the combination tool, which combines a brush, a nozzle. It's great for cleaning shelves, furniture, and even delicate items, as you can switch easily between the two functions. Next, I'll use the crevice tool. It has a long, slim design, and it's perfect for reaching narrow spaces such as between the cushions, along the windows, or in car interiors. Last but not least, we have the dusting brush. This attachment features soft bristles that gently removes dust from delicate surfaces such as keyboards, binds, and picture frames. Each of these attachments is specifically designed to optimize the cleaning experience with the Dyson V15. They enhance the vacuum cleaner's performance and allow you to tackle different cleaning tasks with ease. It's also very easy to keep your Dyson V15 clean. Just remove the filter like this and run it under tap water. Allow it to dry for 24 hours and that's it. It comes with 2 years warranty with accidental damage protection. I feel like it's totally worth every penny you pay for. I love the Dyson V15 because it's user friendly, has strong suction, it's cordless, while its sleek design adds a touch of style to your cleaning routine. I personally visited the Dyson store and saw it in action before purchasing, and I would suggest you to do the same. With the Dyson's reputation for quality, you can trust that V15 will deliver excellent performance. My house looks and feels much clean now. I'm gonna go ahead and organize this space because this is where I do my everyday skincare, and most of them, like I use my skincare and I'll just keep it here instead of keeping it inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize everything. House is looking so much better now, and now it's time for the most important thing of my Sunday routine, and that's self-care. So on Sundays I usually apply like a face mask, hair mask, and take long, nice, relaxing showers. It is much needed. After house cleaning, it's time for self-cleaning. Let's go. So house clean हो गया, self cleaning भी हो गया. Now it's time to clean the mind and just focus on the soul. So it's time to meditate a little. I don't do this every single day, but whenever I do, I honestly feel so good. So normally I go to my balcony. You can go to any quiet place in your room or house. Okay, that was really peaceful. I think I should do that every single day. But now that's done, I am going to nourish my soul a little bit and just focus on like some activities that bring me joy. Normally I go down for a walk or something, but since it's raining so heavily, it's impossible to get out of the house. So today I decided to color. Yeah, that's one of the things that bring me joy. And coloring is not just for kids. It has gained significant popularity among adults as well, since it's a powerful tool for relaxation and being stress-free. So yeah, you should definitely give this a try if you haven't already. Or you can just listen to your favorite music, dance a little if you want to. But yeah, something which like just stay away from the phone and just something which brings me peace. So yeah, let's go ahead and start coloring. There's only so much I can do with sketch pen. It's very beginners kind of like, but yeah, just it was way too peaceful to do this. So yeah, that was it for my Sunday reset routine video. I cleaned my house effortlessly with the Dyson V15 and also organized a little. Also nourished the soul, which was oh so important for my mental peace. Remember, consistency is the key, so try to incorporate a weekly routine, reset routine in your life, and organize and take a break, relax, do it for yourself, for your mental peace. I really hope you guys found this video relaxing in a way, and comment down below and let me know if you also have like a Sunday or Monday reset routine. I don't know, some people do, some people don't, so comment down below and let me know also if you're planning to do one like for yourself, make a routine for yourself. Then yeah, comment down and let me know, and don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.